Well, hey there everyone. Today in the workshop I'm going to have a really quick tip video on looking after your router and sanding mats after they sort of stop working and become a bit naff. Save you having to go out and buy a new one. So stick around for that. Quick tip for making these non-slip router mats. Generally they're sold as. You can also get them for your cars and whatnot, but a good tip for getting a bit of extra life. They do after a while start to slip, and the reason for that is fine dust particles and glues and finishes. Glues and finishes you really want to try and keep off it. Once you start slapping finish around, you really want to kind of get rid of this because you don't want finish to sort of soak in and get on the surfaces, because basically it's impossible to get off. So unlike me, I found that out the hard way. If you've got a relatively new one or an old one, keep it as clean as you can. The dust will then make it slip. So giving it a good shake helps. I've just been routing on this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a bowl of washing up water. You can even use it after you've done the dishes or the washing up at the end of an evening, because it's kind of mucky water anyway. But what happens is all the wood dust floats to the top away from this mat. So it's a nice day. I can hang it on the washing line. So let's go and get a bowl of water. But this is actually clean water. It's warmish just because it's like cold water in the hands is a bit. Okay, so grubby dusty mat. What I'm going to do, the bigger the bowl the better. Just going to drop that in there. You could do this in the bath as well, it's far easier. Just don't get caught. If you can see how grubby that water is already now with all that muck on there. So just going to pull that out. I'm just going to chuck it over the washing line and let it dry outside. So just a quick rinse, let it dry. Basically it's back to new. Obviously you can't make it stop it looking tatty and torn, but that's down to your other maintenance. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got any other tips for looking after these things, leave them down in the comments. I'd love to know what everyone else is doing, and you'll probably help someone else out as well.